Namaste to all students. Khushraw Bitiya, myself JV and Dr. Khushbu Verma, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the membrane transport. Membrane transport is two types. First is passive transport, which not require any kind of energy, and second type is active transport. So today we will focus on passive transportation of cell membrane. And this session is related to cell biology course of program BTech FBT, BTech MTech FBT and BSc FND third trimester. So first of all, we will discuss about the types of protein on the basis of their work. So on the basis of their function, membrane proteins can be classified into two types. First is carrier proteins and channel proteins. Carrier proteins transport may be active or passive, binds to molecule, change their shape to shuttle them across the membrane. But on the other hand, channel proteins transport by passive only, and they have hydrophilic channel that certain molecules or ions can use as a tunnel. Channel proteins are called aquaporins also, and they facilitate the passage of waters. It means aquaporin is a type of channel protein and which facilitate the water transportation. There is a basic difference in between carrier proteins and channel proteins, because carrier protein change their shape to transport the molecules, but channel protein does not change any kind of a shape. Carrier proteins involved in active or passive, and channel proteins only transport by the passive method. This is the flow diagram where we can see if a single molecule is transporting with the help of carrier proteins, it is known as uniport transportation. If two molecules are transporting from one carrier protein in the same direction, it is known as symport. It is coupled transport. It means one molecule will help to the another molecule for the transportation. But second type is antiport, where one molecule and other molecule are transporting in the opposite direction. So that's why it is known as antiport. So we can say uniport, single molecule will be transport. In coupled transport, there are two types, symport and antiport. In the symport, two molecules will transport it in the same direction, but in the antiport, two molecules will transport it into the different direction or opposite direction. If we talk about the permeability of the cell membrane, here we can see that gases can easily transport across the membrane. Hydrophobic molecules also can transport. Small polar molecules like H2O, ethanol also can transport, but large polar molecules like glucose are not permeable for the cell membrane. And along with the large polar molecules, charged molecules such as H plus ion, chloride ion, sodium ions, calcium ions, amino acids are also not permeable for the cell membrane. So for the transportation of these kind of molecules like gases, hydrophobic molecules, small polar molecules, or charged molecules, there are two types of transportation process. First is passive transport and second is active transport. Passive transport has two types. First is simple diffusion, second is facilitated diffusion. Second type is transport is active transport, and it has two types again. First is primary transport, second and next one is secondary transport. In this session, we will discuss about only passive transport. So, first type of passive transport is simple diffusion. Simple diffusion is a tendency for the molecule to spread out eventually into the available space. Substances diffuses down their concentration gradient, and the region along which the density of the chemical substance increases or decreases. No work must be done to move substances down the concentration gradient. The diffusion of a substance across a biological membrane is passive transport because no energy is expended by a cell to make it happen. In simply, we can say that in simple diffusion, molecules will transport according to their concentration gradient, means they will transport from their higher concentration to the lower concentration. This is the simple diffusion method. Here we can see like molecules of a dye will transport from their higher concentration to the lower concentration by crossing the cell membrane, and they will transport till then when molecules will be equal at the both side. So equilibrium will be created and then transportation will be stopped. In the second type, there are two molecules. Orange one will transport from left to right, and purple molecules will transport from the right to left, and they will transport till then when both molecules will be equal at the both side and equilibrium will be created for both molecules. So this is a simple diffusion. Second type is facilitated diffusion, and this kind of a passive transport aided by proteins. Facilitated diffusion like simple diffusion, but it is mediated by transport proteins. For example, carrier proteins undergo changes in the shape and translocates the solute binding site across the membrane. Example is glucose transporter, GLUT, and second one is channel proteins that provides a corridors that allow a specific molecules or ion to cross the membrane. Channel proteins included aquaporins for facilitated diffusion of water, and ion channels that open or close in response to stimulus, like gated channels means ligand gated channels and voltage gated channels. So these are the diagrams. This is a simple diffusion diagram where molecules are transporting across the membrane from their higher concentration to the lower concentration. Next one is carrier mediated facilitated diffusion, where molecules are attaching to the carrier protein. Carrier proteins then change their structure and transport towards the lower concentration of the molecule. Third one is channel mediated facilitated diffusion, where channel protein will provide a tunnel to transport the molecules from their higher concentration to the lower concentration. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.